day everyone, I'm Coach Rodrigo. This is my USPTA certification video level 1. I have here my 4 volunteers. Their name is, what's your name?
Shayna. Sorry.
What? The session for today is the progressive forehand. Your stance will be slightly bent on the back, then racket back, then step, then follow through. Be sure that your racket will go too high and you will catch the racket on the throat with your left hand if you are righty. And the first thing we will do now is stretching together with the warm-up. Okay, will you please put your racket on the end? Okay, we will do first the stretching. The first one is right arm across. Okay, follow me. Switch. Okay, pull elbow. Switch. Okay, now we will do the warm up. Shayna, you stand here, and the other one is 3 steps away, and the other one is 3 steps away also, and you go on the back. Okay, you have to look at me. I will do first. Side step, outside finish line, then go back to the opposite one and finish. Okay? When I say go, you go all together. Ready, go! Okay, stop. Now what we are doing now is you have to follow me also. We have to jump using high knee. Jump like this. Then you touch your butt with your ankle. Okay. When I say go, you go and do what I did. Ready, go. Okay. This time, we will do some drills. Get your racket. Everybody, follow me. Put your rackets on the floor. And then get your racket. So your index knuckle, as you see, is at the number 3 bevel or the eastern grip. What you are doing first is the waiting stance or the waiting position. The left hand must be holding the throat of the racket. Then you have to slightly bend your body. Then you have to put your racket back, a little back. Then you step. Then hit. Just finish it on the middle. Not with catching on the throat with back heel up for weight transfer. Again, ready? First we will do the positioning. Okay, now you go on the inside and then with your back of the line here. Single line. Okay. You know you have to do single line. Okay. This one on the B line. A line. Okay. We're going to drop 2 balls for each one of you. Then you do the counter, the clockwise turn. The first hitter, when he's do the stroke, you all of the three will follow even without the ball. You have to follow what she is doing. You take a shallow. Ready? Go. will be doing now is waiting stance. You put your racket back, then step, then drop the ball, hit, steal, touch your racket on the middle, with back it up. Okay, other one. You have to put your racket back, then step, drop the ball, hit, then turn around. Okay, now you can do pause. Okay, you can do pause. Okay, ready? Go. Okay. Go. What we will be doing now is we will adjust to the serving baseline. Using the same rotation, the only thing that we will change, the coach will be the one who will win 2 balls for each one of you. Okay, adjust. Okay, but this time, aside from I am the one who will win using my racket, you're going to switch and not here but up to here because you have to force along the range so that your ball will reach over the head to your opponent. Okay, Shayna, you do first. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, you want to go forward? Okay, go. Wait. The ball is short, you have to go forward. Yes. Okay. Stop, all of you. I'm going to ask you something. How many balls did the coach give you before you exit? 2 balls. How many ranges do we take?
We take 3 ranges, which is the middle of the service box, the service line, and the baseline.
Any other things like what you've learned today? Yes. Any other want to answer? Okay. Now we will going to have a game. We will call it mini tennis, and the first player to get 10 points without an error wins the match. The first player will be going on the right side of the board together with his partner or opponent, and the other one will pick also his opponent using the board on the half court, which is on the left side. And I will demonstrate first. Who wants to play with me to demonstrate? Okay, you go on the other side if you want to. Okay, we will, to win is we will go into another 10 continuous points. But if you put a 10 or, then we will go back again to 0. Okay. What will be on the forehand side? Okay. One must run inside the service box. So all go on the backhand. You have to use your leg. Okay, then. Come here, come over. Okay, grab your partner and you do what we did. Okay. Okay, stop. Oh, we have how many points did you have? 8. And you? 3. So, 8. You got the point. How many did you got already? 2 points. This is the second one. Okay, your name. Stop the ball to the net, huh? Faster. Ball. Let's inside again. Faster. Okay, ball. Kurang kau di mana? Kurang belajar. Outside. Take the ball. Take the ball. Ball. Did you enjoy the game?
Yes.
Who won the game?
Me and Joe.
Okay, thank you very much and hope to see you again.
Thank you.